I am in Pacific Palisades right now where, as the sheriff said, it looks like an atomic bomb went off. This is the largest of the 5 fires that are burning in LA County. And amid the everyday victims that are suffering right now, there are also some very famous faces who are dealing with incredible loss.
Breaking now at 11, 16 people confirmed dead in the California wildfires as new evacuations are ordered. Tonight, new fears the massive fires will only continue to grow.
She came out with her little Yeti piggy bank for us to rebuild our house.
Many friends now.
Today, all along a 10-mile stretch of coastline, which includes the Palisades and Malibu, hundreds of homeowners, some of them very big stars, getting their first chance to sift through the rubble.
Not sure we're going to be able to wash anything in this setup anymore. Can't go in the front door.
That's Spencer Pratt visiting the site where his home once stood.
The Los Angeles wildfires have unleashed a catastrophic wave of destruction, leaving behind scorched earth, shattered dreams, and heartbroken communities. As flames rip through some of California's most exclusive neighborhoods, many of Hollywood's biggest names return to scenes of devastation they could never have imagined. From Malibu mansions reduced to rubble to priceless memories turned to ash, the emotional toll is staggering. Yet amidst the heartbreak, stories of resilience, gratitude, and strength are emerging, painting a poignant picture of hope and humanity. In a cruel twist of fate, Milo Ventimiglia, best known for his role as Jack Pearson on This Is Us, returned to his Malibu home to find it destroyed. Much like his on-screen character who faced a house fire, Milo was left grappling with a tragic parallel in his own life. Speaking emotionally about his loss, he revealed how he and his pregnant wife had prepared everything for their baby, only to see it all wiped away in an instant. Yet, as he held on to his family and their safety, Milo's resilience shone through. "It's just stuff," he reflected. "But my wife, my baby, and our dog, those are what matter." Paris Hilton's Malibu home, the site of her children's first steps and countless cherished memories, was another casualty of the fires. Watching her home burn on live television was a moment of sheer heartbreak, but Paris channeled her grief into action, launching a fundraiser through her nonprofit, Levin. Media Impact, she donated $100,000 of her own money and pledged to match additional contributions to support displaced families. "While the loss is overwhelming, I am holding on to gratitude," she said, urging others to join her efforts. Paris's resilience and commitment to helping others have inspired fans and highlighted the importance of community in times of crisis. For the young and the restless star Eric Braeden, the loss was deeply personal. His home of 45 years, a $5.3 million sanctuary filled with treasured memories, was destroyed, fighting back tears. Eric shared his heartbreak, but also his determination to rebuild. Having survived cancer and even a shipwreck during World War II, Eric's strength is undeniable. "Stone always stands," he said, finding solace in the small remnants that survived the fire. Ricki Lake's story took an uncanny turn when she revealed that a psychic had predicted her home would be destroyed by fire and water just months earlier. Despite her and her husband's desperate attempts to save their beloved Malibu property, the flames were unstoppable. The loss was devastating, but Ricki found hope in small miracles, like the survival of palm trees on her property, and in the outpouring of support from her fans. Singer and actress Mandy Moore faced her own devastation when the fire consumed her home's guest house, studio, and garage. Although her main house was spared, Mandy described the loss as overwhelming. She shared emotional images of the aftermath, revealing her heartbreak while also expressing gratitude that her family and pets were safe. Mandy thanked the first responders and urged her fans to donate to local relief funds, reminding everyone that rebuilding takes a collective effort. Kim Kardashian, who narrowly avoided losing her own home, stepped up to support her community. She donated significant funds to the Los Angeles Fire Department Foundation and Baby to Baby, organizations working tirelessly to provide aid to those affected. Kim's Instagram posts encouraged her followers to join in the effort, stating, "Our hearts are with everyone impacted by these fires. Let's stand together and support those in need." Her message resonated with millions, sparking a wave of donations and solidarity. The former Malibu mansion of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Yolanda Hadid, once valued at $35 million, was another casualty of the fires. The home, which had hosted glamorous parties and been a backdrop for iconic TV moments, now lies in ruins. Yolanda's daughter, Bella Hadid, shared a poignant photo of her childhood bedroom engulfed in flames, captioned simply, "Childhood Bedroom." The loss of such a cherished family space left fans mourning alongside the Hadid family. Spencer Pratt and Heidi Montag, known for their time on the hills, were among those who lost everything. Their $4 million home was reduced to ash, but Spencer managed to find small, meaningful items that survived the blaze, including his son's toys and a hummingbird feeder. "This is the best thing ever," he said in a heartfelt TikTok video, sharing the emotional discovery with fans. The family is focusing on staying positive, finding joy in small moments, and supporting each other through the tragedy. Mel Gibson, who lost his $16 million estate, found an unexpected silver lining when he discovered
Going down my street, praying for these homes.